Ever wondered if you could turn your trusty Android phone into a cryptocurrency mining machine and start raking in that sweet Ethereum? Today, we're diving deep into the world of mining Ethereum on Android, exploring the possibilities and, more importantly, the limitations. This isn't about getting rich quick, but understanding what's actually feasible. First, let's talk about mining apps. You'll find plenty on the Play Store promising to mine Ethereum. The truth: most of these apps aren't actually mining directly. Instead, they often simulate mining or utilize your phone's resources for other tasks, paying you a tiny fraction. In crypto, always do your research and read reviews before downloading any mining app. Then there's the crucial factor of hardware. Your Android phone simply isn't designed for the intense computational power needed for efficient Ethereum mining. This can lead to overheating, battery drain, and ultimately, damage to your device. Power consumption is another major hurdle. Mining Ethereum requires constant processing, draining your battery rapidly. The electricity cost to keep your phone running will likely outweigh any Ethereum you might mine, resulting in a loss instead of a profit. Finally, let's address profitability. Given the hardware limitations, power consumption, and the current difficulty of mining Ethereum, realistically, direct Android mining is rarely profitable. One alternative often suggested is cloud mining. This involves renting computing power from a data center to mine Ethereum remotely. While it bypasses the hardware and power issues of your phone, it comes with its own set of risks. Research thoroughly any cloud mining service before investing, as many can be scams. So, can you mine Ethereum on Android? Technically, yes. Profitably and sustainably? Most likely not. It's crucial to understand the limitations and risks involved before dedicating time and resources to this endeavor. Keep exploring the world of crypto, but do so with informed expectations.